Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rangba kajila Conrad sangma ulaong bah khat artari unai lur ula de Phah eki Shithi shaboro ki menteri ke badai ban eno eki jinglong menteri khamtam yeki menteri ke badai na ke NPP ulaong babaro kila debyo eka Shithi ber kila pentikina ru bakila yo komta ulaong bah ba ki yo eka Shithi bala Phah adu menteri rangba kiri ban pule yaka Henry yak ta kino baklem pentep kamla banlong namar bala de Phah eka Shithi bat kijing pentep baro kila don ha Shithi Yakani Menteri Rangba ulakaran halor kajingkam ke Dr. Mazel Ampareen dingdo ke Menteri Barim Kajila bakam dan jing tepe halor kajing temu penhiar Shuki Menteri Yaka.
Just so that we put the records straight, on Friday, the 12th of September, when the cabinet when the assembly was over, in the evening at about 8 o'clock, I had dispatched letters to all the concerned ministers, especially from the National People's Party, because the other parties had already decided and some were still working on their decision. And so, minusing the other political parties and other coalition partners, to the four cabinet ministers from the National People's Party, the letter was sent, and all of them had received the letter. And obviously, I expect that when they receive a letter from Chief Minister, they will go through it and they will see it. And we have confirmed that the letter was received. And so that is what the procedure was followed with everyone. And so the question of not communicating and not informing does not arise. In the letter, it is much better because all the details were mentioned. I did not share the letter with the press, and if necessary, we can share that letter also. But this exercise was conducted, and all had received the letter.